Hi and welcome to John Doe Guides. So this is a guide on how to set the Wi-Fi settings on any Zgemma box. So first of all, press menu, go to setup, systems. Now if you're on Wishbuild or any other firmware, the order of these settings might be different, but they are all called the same thing, so it will be there, just in a slightly different order possibly. But go to Systems, Network, Device Setup. Now you get this option. Now you've got the Wi-Fi plugged in. Obviously make sure the Wi-Fi was plugged in before you turn the box on, or it usually won't recognise it if you don't do it like that. So you should see that there. Click OK on the wireless LAN. Down to Network Wizard. Press OK. OK on list of available networks, and then that will show you all the ones it can pick up. So we are on the Wi-Fi repeater at the moment. Press the right arrow directional button on the remote to change that to yes. Go down to, make sure you've got the right name in there, it should come up, make sure you're on the right one. Change the encryption to whatever your encryption is. Almost all routers now are WPA or WPA2. If you've got a really old router, you might still be on WEP, or you might not have any encryption at all, which isn't a good idea, but some do. But generally it would be this WPA or WPA2. It should say on your router, on the back of your router, what it is actually. So type in your encryption key. Okay, so that's mine typed in. If you're not sure what your password is, it's usually written on the back of the router, or there's a little card with the router, say wireless pass or wireless key, something along them lines. So once you've typed that in, obviously you use the letters on under the number keys on the remote. Just keep clicking through them. It goes lowercase, number, uppercase. Space is on the 1, I believe. So it's one click of the 1 is the space, but you wouldn't be using that for this password. But so yeah, that's that in. Press OK. Do you want to configure the network? Yes. Do you want to delete the second interface? So that's up to you whether you're going to be using Ethernet at any point. I'm not, so I'm just going to click yes. So that's now activating the network connection. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, you can press OK to get past this part. If you ever see a box where it's got a number counting down, you just press OK, it will jump past it. So now it tells you at the top here that your Zgemma H2S is now ready to be used. So that's how you know it's connected. It might say it's not connected there. It often doesn't do it the first time, to be honest. It usually takes 2 goes for me. I don't know whether that's just my box or not, but it does that pretty much every time. Just go through the same process again. The password will already be saved in there, so you don't have to type that again. Just click OK and it will run it again. Usually does it the second time, unless there is a real problem with your network. If you are having problems with it, just reset your router. Just pull the power out 10 seconds. If that still isn't solving the problem, you can have what they call an IP conflict, which is caused when 2 devices are trying to use the same IP address, which often happens if you tend to hibernate your laptop. The only way to solve that is on the back of the box. There's usually a hole or a reset button. If you hold a pin in the hole for 10 seconds, it will basically wipe all the IP addresses, and it will automatically allocate them new IP addresses, so you won't need to do anything, and that will normally sort out the conflict on the IPs then. So that's good to go now. Just press, so you should have pressed OK then, sorry, my bad. Otherwise you have to just keep pressing exit, which is a bit of a nightmare. And you can go to exit wizard and then press OK to get out. Can be a bit of a pain to get out of, to be honest. But that's done now, but good to do a little network test. So if you go up to network test, press the green button, and you're looking for them all to be green, obviously. As you can see, they're all confirmed, they're all green. That's working now, job done. If it says red on the IP address there, yeah, as I say, reset the box or hard reset it, whatever you need to do, but that should solve everything then, really. So I hope that helps. If you do need any other guides for any other things setting up for Zgemma, we pretty much have everything on our YouTube channel. Check that out. If you want to buy an IPTV subscription or a Virgin subscription for these boxes, we can sort that out for you too. If you just email us on linux.electrical@gmail.com, it's in the description below. We can sort that out for you, and we'll obviously provide our normal video guides to help you set that up, and constant technical support. There's always someone available. So thanks for watching.